This is a demo of what it would look like if we used our Division One report to report out on Allstate. So super cinchy easy. We would just have Carrie add an Allstate column, just like if you run districts, there's a column there where you can put in your X's for your ones. And then we would just go through as we're getting our kiddos, mark the ones that have 2 or more Allstate nominations. So you just mark them with an X. I'm using the large group report because it's the one I had to play around with. So you just go through and you're like, oh, this kid got All-State nomination, and this kid got All-State nomination, and these kiddos got All-State nominations. Once you have that, then you just need to sort this sheet. And to sort it, you just highlight this row. You highlight the row, and then you hit this little button up here, and it puts in what I call the little tornadoes. And then you just click on the little tornadoes. Say you don't want the blanks, you only want the X's, and then you've got this. The one caveat to this is that you do have to copy these and put them into a new sheet. So then you just paste them right into a new sheet and then move this sheet to the front so that Avery only looks at this one tab. So once you have this tab in the front, it's the one it's going to go find. So then we just go to Avery.com. It is free if you've never used it before. It's great for making labels and all sorts of things. If you don't have an account, you just click on this little person right here. You can create a free account. If you do have an account already, then just go ahead and log in. Oops, learn to spell your school the right way. And then you are in. And then hit close. And never, my computer does all sorts of crazy things like that. I want to do a blank label, or I want to go to templates, and I want to find a template. And if we are going to do this, you will already have the template that you need. So 5338 is the one that's 3x5 index cards that go up and down. These are the ones I want. So I'm going to go ahead and say start designing, pick the ones that go up and down, and choose this design, and then select this design, and it brings up a blank one. So here's where all the magic happens. Now you want to go and import data and mail merge. So you start import merge, you go to Google Drive, and you find your spreadsheet. So it's the Allstate practice for me. So I'm going to go and select that, and it's only going to bring up the kids that I selected for X's. You want to go ahead and click off this category one because I don't want that included in my printout. And then I hit next. And here's where I get to design. So you just have to drag these over or double click them. So I want category. I need the school. I need the entry title. And I need performers. And then I just say next. And I hit finish. And here's what it looks like. Here's where I can change the sizes. Like if I want them to be bigger or I want them to move them down, I can actually grab this and move it down. If I want these words to be bigger, right now they're set at 18, which I think is big enough, or I want them in a different order, I can place them in a different order, all sorts of things. Once I have everything that I want, so I have 3 sets of cards, I can go through them and see my 3 sets of cards of 3s. I hit print and preview. And then I want to get a PDF to print. And then I just, save your work, call it whatever you want to, save to your account. Click OK. I want to say open my PDF. Here's my PDF. Once we get to someplace with a printer, I just hit print, off it goes, and I have printed my 3x5 index cards. And that is what it would look like if we use the Division One reports to print out our cards for Allstate.